your flat is not booked, please come to the center. We will do again. We will check the vaccination, and also sometimes we are checking the vaccination in PHC is available or not. Sometimes every day evening we are checking like that, sir. Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Actually, in Andhra Pradesh, COVID vaccination is increasing day by day, sir, and COVID cases also day by day is increasing, sir. It's a per day, like last 3 4 days, 600 to 800, like getting, sir, in Vizag district only. When we are talking about the AP state, 7,000 8,000 per day is coming, sir. So in our centers also we are creating like awareness like COVID awareness, and creating like registration also we are doing. But the problem is when we are registration, we are only doing registration, but the slots are not available in the PHC and the government places, sir. So only we talk to the black level officers also and PHC doctors and government hospital. They are saying we have limited slots, only 50 to 80 members we have slots only, and one PHC is looking into the 5 to 8 villages, and there one PHC is one village is near to the one PHC. But when one person is coming from the 15 kilometers, 18 kilometers like that, so they have to start morning 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock. They have to start. If they don't get vaccination in PHC or any other hospital, they have to return. The travel is very difficult problem because is a lockdown is going on. After the 12 o'clock, no transportation is nothing is there. So and one of two centers also we have created the vaccination drive also, sir. Is one is Gorlivanipalam in our hub center and Muthialamapalam and Tikavanipalam, but we are not provided the all the beneficiaries, all the communities we are just provided only 200 members and 50 members, 80 members. We are provided the vaccination, but we are not provided the all the members. Like that is going on, sir. And when we like um, before phase one is most of the people not get vaccinated because they are like they are thinking the side effects will come, and any diabetes persons not to take the COVID vaccination and pregnant ladies not to take vaccination. But after second wave, most of the people they are willing to come and taking the vaccination, but vaccination is not available. And one thing is my experience in from the ground, uh, only educated persons is possible to online registration. But what about the uneducated person? What about the old age people? They have we are just from our centers we are providing the registration, but they cannot see every day how many slots is there, how can I book. So if today is not, so no slots is there, but tomorrow how they will check the vaccinations, like how they will book the slabs. So there's a facing problems in the rural villages. And vaccination also we in Andhra Pradesh only 45 plus we covered, 45 plus persons age persons we are providing the vaccination. 18 to 44 is not provided, but they will start the in future, sir.
So how many of your centers are working on vaccination related campaign and vaccination related registration and vaccination provision?
In out of 10 centers we are providing the registration in 6 centers, sir. Only registration, but we covered only three centers vaccination drive. But remaining centers they are saying PHC doctors and government officials also they're saying we don't have a vaccination to provide all the communities. So when we are going to the villages also, 40 plus 40 below 44 persons will come, and they're creating the issues in villages also. We need the vaccination. So any political issues and like any other persons are they're creating issues. So that is the reason they are very fear to come to the villages. They are also thinking very secure place, and if any persons take the responsibility, then after the PHC will coming to the villages and taking the drive. And recently is last month, this month in the 5th also, we have conducted vaccination Tikavanipalam. Only 50 people we covered, sir. But its population is nearly 7,000. The 45 places is totally nearly 2,000 places there, sir.
So you are saying that even though you are providing registration, there is a problem. I mean, you can do the registration. People are willing to do the registration, but the point is that if there is no slot, then it is just a registration without any slot. So they
Yes.
don't know how to check or how to get the slot when it will be available, because they cannot keep on coming to your center all the time. And you also have a difficulty in putting the username, password of their registration number and checking the slot. So are you not taking responsibility of booking the slot without their presence through their ID whenever it is available?
So when they're coming to the center, we are doing the follow-up, but we cannot, every day is not possible to go their houses, and we cannot force the people, right? So that is the reason happening. And means out of 10 people, we are doing follow-up like 3 to 5 members. So is your vaccination, are you vaccinated or not? So your flat is booked or not? For that, if you are not, your flat is not booked, please come to the center. We will do again, we will check the vaccination. And also sometimes we are checking the vaccination in the PHC is available or not. Sometimes every day evening we are checking like that, sir. Near the government hospital or near the PHC also we are checking. If there any vaccination is there, we are calling to those persons. We are asking to book the slots.
So I am asking, if let's say if I am a villager and I have registered through your center, either using Aadhaar or PAN card or whatever, so without my presence, can you not book the slot without my presence by using my Aadhaar card number?
Without presence in our center is not possible, sir. But only possibility is there in PHC, sir. So they will provide the vaccination. Means if the 20% is came to the center, so we have only 30%. 30 people is vaccination is there. So after 20 people, they are looking to the remaining people. If they don't have a mobile number, if they don't have an Aadhaar, so after that they are thinking. They are providing means they are giving their own mobile number like that they are giving, sir. And PHC also they have separate logins also. In that they are providing like the remaining people. But in our center it's not possible, sir.
So how many registration you have done so far?
Like we are nearly 300 to 500 we done, sir.
And how many of them have taken the vaccination?
So, and when we are checking, every day we are checking the vaccination, is there any slots is there in near the PHC or not? We have a 2 PHC near to our center, sir, in our block. So we are checking in Parvada, one PHC is there, and one Chiprupal is there. So like that we are checking, is there any slots are there or not? So when the slots is there, we are booking and we are sending those persons to the PHCs.
Tirupati, tell me one thing. Do you, in your district, is it allowed to directly go to the vaccination center with ID card and do they entertain, or you have to go only through online registration?
Only go online registration, sir.
Only
Online registration.
Because some states are saying that they are ready to accept people on the panchayat level without registration, and you can come directly with your ID card.
Yes, sir. Panchayat levels also we can, sir. But PHC persons have their own logins. In that time, they are doing the vaccination. They have to enter into the COVID website, vaccinated person details and Aadhaar card and mobile number. So without these details, we cannot do any vaccination, sir.
So you are saying that walk-in is allowed, but when you walk in, the PHC person does the online entry.
Yes.
On behalf of the person.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Achha, just tell me quickly, highlight in your area how many PHCs are there?
In our block is the 2 PHCs, sir.
And how many CHCs?
CHCs no, sir. Only 2 PHCs.
And how active they are in terms of vaccination and provision of vaccination and fighting the COVID?
They're doing the vaccination every day, sir, but only slots is very less, like 100 or 150 slots is we have every day. So after the completion of slots, they are not providing any vaccination.